What's up, all-in traders? I'm Pablo, and today's topic is how much time will it take to earn on a forex, stocks or futures market? Before we start, be sure to click the like button below and subscribe our channel. Guys, you will thank me later. Basically, we have to talk about two things. It's a bit of wishful thinking that's fueled by marketing. It shows you that you can even trade all day long. Many people have the idea that they can trade 4, 6, 8 or even 12 hours, but only when they feel like it. You can do it, of course, but first we will clash with a myth. It's an imagination and maybe it's cool, but at first, the longer you start dealing with this, the longer you stay in the market, the more you will realize that the time you spend trading, the efficiency simply decrease. What do I mean? To do investing, to do trading and to make money in the market, imagine that you can do it for 2, maybe 3 hours a day. Why? Because you have to use your head, your brain, because you are under pressure, because you need to concentrate. Of course, there are knowledge, habits, skills, and it all needs to be combined. But you have to do the best you can at the moment because you want to earn money. You have to make decision, analyze the situation, analyze the chart and so on. And we as humans are unable to concentrate for entire 8 hours. Guys, functioning on the market, being distracted, a little tired will certainly not translate into results. Moreover, it will have a negative impact. When you're tired, you have other things on your mind. You are distracted a lot, just life, and when we should be doing other things, maybe solving everyday problems, and we want to trade, it turns out that what we does not bring results or profits. This is the first thing. Now, when can a person who is just starting out think about quitting his job and going into full-time trading? When I was a rookie, I was wondering about that too. And generally, you can do it quickly. Snap your fingers, but first you need to answer the question of how much money you need to earn to be able to function on a daily basis. You know, taxes, life itself, apart from trips, some development topics, just the minimum to survive. And the next question, what capital will you start with? Well, because if you have, for example, 5,000 and you need that much per month to live and you need to earn that much, not only that, you don't be able to save more from the salary because everything goes to daily needs. So when will that moment come? It doesn't depend on your trading skills or knowledge because such an approach that every month you need 100% of your capital. Maybe it will work once, the second time it will work, but the third time you will lose everything. Well, I have to get back to work. When answering the question of how much you need to earn, you need to compare it with your capital. For me, the common sense approach that doesn't make me worry is to aim for results like this. No, between 1 and 10% per month. If I can earn that much, it's extra for me, but it's in my individual situation with my capital that I have. If I had 1,000, I would have gratitude from college and had such a saving. As a rookie, as a beginner, I would give myself that prospect that in a year I would quit my job and switch full to trading. But of course, you can do it at any time. The only question is whether the money you receive or work out in the market meets your needs. If not, you will still have to work extra somewhere. But beware, it won't require your concentration like trading. If someone is motivated in the process of learning and acquiring knowledge, then optimally 4 to 5 months, provided that he has a lot of time to learn. Then he can go full trading, but should he quit his job right away? It's about how much savings you have. Now, how much money are you willing to risk? Personally, I develop various businesses. I have companies because I know that I couldn't just deal with trading all day. Just charts, analysis, position. Probably after 2 or 3 months, I would go crazy. It's worth recalling that when I started, I had the idea that I would quit my job and just do this. I tried this model, but as I turned it out, the longer I sat on the market, the worse the results. So that's not the way. Despite the fact that somewhere in the marketing they talk about it and that it looked nice, sitting on a laptop in a cafe and one position sets you up for a month. I'm not in favor of such an approach where huge risks are taken. It's not good for the head. I prefer a long-term approach where it's spread over time, low risk trades or internet, and you earn consistently. In such a model, I can function and find myself. I can find time for other things. Sometimes it will be hobbies, other business, sometimes sports, books, whatever. It's worth combining these things and not focusing only on the forex stocks markets. Perhaps this image comes from the fact that someone doesn't like what they do and is looking for other opportunities. I will focus on what gives me pleasure, where I can find a satisfying job and moving with trading calmly. The time will come for that too, and to be a full-time trader. And guys, for more videos with practical and needed knowledge, check our YouTube channel and be sure to click subscribe, leave a thumb up and just watch. All in traders is not about the risk but about the process, so focus on it and keep trading. See ya guys.